kids, are you ready to stretch your brain? Today's question comes from Problem Solving Experience in Mathematics Workbook. Here we go. So when visiting her grandfather's farm, Tricia saw that he raised only hens and pigs. She counted 38 heads and 100 legs in the barnyard. How many heads and how many pigs did her grandfather have on his farm? So you can pause the video here and give it a go. When you're ready, just resume. Welcome back. All right, let's try to unpack this problem because there's a lot of information in here. First question is, how many animals did Tricia see? Well, it looks like there were 38 heads, which means she saw 38 animals. And how many legs did she see altogether? And it looks like in the problem it is 100 legs. Now, because hens and pigs have different numbers of legs, let's look at how many legs a hen has. And the hen has 2. And a pig has 4 legs, so that's what makes this a little more difficult. So one way that you can approach this is to guess and check, and I'm going to use a table for my guess and checking. And first I'm going to record the number of hens and the number of legs, the number of pigs and the number of legs. Then I'm going to count the total number of heads because that's the total number of animals, the total number of legs, and I'm going to see if my legs equal 100 and my heads equal 38. Okay, so let's just guess with a 10. So if I have 10 hens and each hen has 2 eggs, the product of 10 and 2 is 20. If I have 10 hens and there are 38 total animals, 38 minus 10 is 28. And pigs have 4 feet, so 28 multiplied by 4 is 112. So the total number of heads is 10 plus 28, which is 38. That checks out. And the number of legs is 20 plus 112, which is, 132. It's not correct. I needed to get 100, and it looks like I have too many legs, which means I have too many pigs because pigs have more legs than hens. So let's increase the number of hens to, say, 20. So now I have 20 hens, and each hen has 2 feet, so 20 multiplied by 2 is 40. The difference between 38 and 20 is 18. 18 is the number of pigs, and the product of 18 and 4 is 72. So again, the number of heads is 20 plus 18, which is 38. That checks out. And the sum of the number of legs of the hens and the sum of the number of legs of the pigs is 112. So it's not correct, but I'm getting closer. So again, we need more hens. So let's say 25. So if I have 25 hens, 25 multiplied by 2 is 50. And the difference between 38 and 25 is 13, and 13 multiplied by 4 is 52. The total number of heads is the sum of 25 and 13, which is 38, and the sum of 50 and 52 is 102. Oh, I'm not correct, but I'm really, really close. I'm just 2 over. So let's increase the number of hens just by 1 more and say 26 hens. 26 multiplied by 2 is 52. The difference of 38 and 26 is 12, and 12 multiplied by 4 is 48. The total number of heads, 26 plus 12 is 38, and the total number of legs, 52 plus 48 is 100. Yay, I got it correct. So Tricia saw 26 hens and 12 pigs. Want to try the extension? Give your brain a little bit more of a workout? Here's the next question. Later that summer, Tricia's brother counted 65 heads and 200 legs in the barnyard. How many pigs and how many hens did Grandpa have then? So it looks like we have more animals and more legs. All right, again, you can pause the video here, give it a go, and then resume when you're ready. So I took the last row of my table and put in my amount for 100 legs. And so I'm going to use this same method for figuring out my new problem. I need 65 heads. Here I have 26 hens. Let's make it 30. So if I double the number of 30, it'll give me the legs. So that's 60. And 65 minus 30 is 35. And if I multiply 35 by 4, it'll give me the number of legs, which is 140. So the total number of heads is 30 plus 35, which is 65. That checks out. And 60 plus 140 is, it's 200. I got it correct on my first guess. Sometimes I get lucky. So Tricia saw 30 hens and 35 pigs. Remember that if that felt tricky, It means that your brain grew. So if you like this video, click the like. If you want to leave a comment, that would be great too. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And thanks as always for watching.